tired. I was just out shoveling already. I can't believe how bad it's gotten already, and it's only, what, 1 o'clock in the afternoon? Davey just got home from school, and he's about to play. What are you going to play?
I'm going to play some video games. I'm just waiting for my friend to come on.
And I'll check in on you guys later, and we'll shovel some more. It's going to be a fun couple days at the Jersey Shore.
Maybe we'll show you guys us shoveling, so yeah.
Yeah, maybe we'll show you guys me shoveling. Us? No, I don't think so. I don't know about that. All right, we'll check back.
Bye.
Happy snowstorm.
Bye. Wait, it's a blizzard.
Put a blanket down so when you come in it doesn't get all messy. Go ahead. Mandy, it's just snow. Oh, honey, it's just snow. Come on, go outside. Go outside. But it hasn't been snowing. It's stopped and it's not doing much out at all. So we'll see how it goes. Right now I'm just sitting here drinking my cup of coffee and waiting to see if it starts snowing again. But for now, I'm really tired today. My husband and I had a long weekend where we're preparing to get our house raised from the hurricane. So we have a lot of stuff going on. So a little stressful in the used house, and we're a little tired and weary. But just waiting to see what happens with the snow, and right now it's coming down very light, and I don't need to shovel for a while, so we'll see how it goes. What? You want to try going out now? Let's see if we can get her to go out in the snow. You want to go out in the snow? Do you want to go out? Sorry? You see? Go for it. You can do it. Yay! Go. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, Mandy. Go ahead. She's checking it out. She's looking for squirrels. See any squirrels? Any squirrels out there? No squirrels? Come on, Mandy, you can do it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yay! You did it. Good girl. So it's Tuesday. And it was not as bad as anyone thought. So we got snow, but it's not as bad. And there's the blizzard of 2015, which turned out to not be that bad. Although it keeps coming down. These cars were cleaned an hour ago and they're already a mess again, but it's not that bad. We lucked out. Yay! Shoveling snow. I already did one. Kevin did 3 since 5 a.m. So this is our 5th time shoveling. So we got a good amount of snow, but it was nowhere near what they thought. But no, Mandy, don't bite. Get the ball. She's running right back inside. Come back. Mandy! Oh, do that again. There he does. Whoa. There he goes. It looks pretty. Still snowing in Brighton, New Jersey. This is our blizzard. At least we're gonna get around the snow from the Jersey Shore. Hopefully not a blizzard. Mandy. Well, that's it. Are you done? You go inside? Okay, so we're done shoveling. We're tired. So JV and I and Kevin combined shoveled about 6 or 7 times, and we're very tired. So we're gonna lay down in the living room, watch a movie, Harrison Ford movie, and enjoy the rest of our snow day. And Mandy is just gonna chill and hang out with us. So that's the end of our snow day.